Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A14. So let's do it. So we have two ways. The first one and the easy one is to push together volume down and power button like this. It is very easy. And now let's do it again. Volume down and power. Okay. And the second one, just go to the top bar and swipe again, and now go to the right, and we have here take a screenshot. Just tap on this, and that's all. It is very easy. Also you can open the screenshots in the gallery. Here there are. Okay. And you can do also a long screenshot, and I will show you how. So if you want to do a screenshot to settings, just push together volume down and power like this, and now just tap here where is this little arrow, and now all the page will be in the screenshot, and I will show you how it looks. Just go to the gallery, and here is my long screenshot. As you can see, all the page is here. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.